Hi guys, in this video we will see how to integrate Gennie with GitHub. So Gennie is a AI note taker processing platform which basically takes your meetings and then push them to your project management tools, to your task management tool, to your Slack, Asana, Jira, Trello, whatever you use. So let's see how to integrate with GitHub. Right, so for that I'll go to my apps and install the GitHub app. So this will ask me to authenticate my GitHub, and then once I process the meeting, I can push the task to GitHub. So let's see. So it will ask me to authenticate my GitHub. I've already authenticated it, so it will directly take me to my workspace and project selection place. So I'll select my workspace. So there are a lot of projects in my GitHub. So I'll just choose the one which I want to use. And there are a lot of people, so I'll just say okay, default, if there is no assignee, assign it to me, and apply some label, let's say bug. Okay, or maybe apply label help wanted. And I'll just save and continue. So now what happens, whenever we assign a task, and if there are no assignee or no label, it will apply those labels. Okay, now I'll go back to my meetings. So I'll go and upload a meeting. So basically either I can upload the meeting files or I can upload a transcription. And we also have integration where it automatically pull meeting from Granola, Phantom, and a lot of AI note taker tools which we have. So I'll just go and create a meeting. So I'll just copy a transcription from one of my existing meetings. Participant I can choose. So now what Gennie has done, it has pulled all the participants from my GitHub, right? Because this is my project management tool. So it knows that these are the people who are part of my team, and I can just select which all were part of this meeting, right? So I can select some of them. I'll give a name to other meeting. Let's say meeting GitHub demo. And I'll generate task. Okay, so what it does, it will go through this meeting transcription and identify all the action item, all the tasks which needs to be done, and then it will identify the owner, it will identify the due date, identify the labels, and show it to me, and then I can just take a look and then quickly process them, right? So all the tasks are here. Since we have two project management tools, which is Asana and GitHub, so probably it got confused that which one you need to assign. So let's say I'm using both of them, and I know, okay, these are the tasks which are for my GitHub team, and these are the tasks which are for my Asana. It will just assign it to them, right? So let's say these 5 tasks, I want to go on my GitHub. So I can choose assignee, where this one will go to this person, this one will go to, so in Asana you can have multiple assignees. So I can choose, okay, this task is probably I want to update the description 5 times. So let's say I just want to update, I'll click save. These tasks I'll assign to some person, and which I will not assign, it will automatically put an assignee, right? Label, I can give a label if I want, or if I don't give a label, it will basically pick from the default label which we have given as part of duty, right? So it is here, and then I can either process the task one by one. So I can click this, it will go to my GitHub, or I can basically do a multi-select. So now this is done, so I can go and view this. The task is here with the due date, with the assignees, milestone we have not given, the labels which we have given, and the task got created. Now let's say I want to execute all of them. Okay, not all of them, but yeah, just for the GitHub one, because we are seeing GitHub, and I'll just click execute. So all these 4 tasks will be here, the 5 tasks, right? So if I go to the task, as of now it's just 1 task. Now it is processing one by one. So all these tasks are here with just 1 click. So what happened? We went in a meeting, we recorded the conversation, put the conversation in Gennie, it identified all the tasks, and then it assigned to the owners, right? So that nothing get lost. All your meeting notes, all the owners are here, all the tasks are here. You update it, you just take a look, and in couple of seconds it in your project management tool, whether it's Asana, GitHub, Trello, Jira, whatever, right? So this way the meeting is actually productive and nothing is getting lost. So you are not in a situation where after 3 days we don't know who is taking care of the task and whether someone is working on it or not. So all those are in your system of records. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.